it's on me. You want to hold my horse treats?
Yeah, I'll hold your horse treats.
Okay.
I don't believe this. I'm not saying anything, I'm just filming.
I got more. Oh, not anymore. Hey, you want some?
Feeding the fish. We have a lot of fun here at Del Tio's Peruvians. Okay, you're on camera. Oh no, there she goes. She's in the water. She's like, I only live once. Hey, you've got clippy reins so you can undo one.
I should.
So you can have a longer lead rope if you need it. Okay, they're going swimming. I don't believe it. Oh, that is awesome. Are there any fish going between your legs? Oh, I'm laughing so hard I can barely film. Well, she said, you know, you only live once. This is a carpe diem moment. Come on, Monza, go swim with her, babe. I would think it's cold. Okay. That girl's living today. Bye.